Video of Honda boys.
Come on, let's get this out.
Look at this dude. Okay, we're doing the fender today. We're doing fender on this 97, right?
Yeah.
Civic SI. I guess it's an SI.
EX, SI, same thing. Either way, it's got VTEC.
Look at this thing. It's clean. Don't mind the parts back there. Whatever the fuck that is. So what you need to do is you're gonna have the bolts up here, right? You're gonna have at least one, as far as I see, here. Probably one down here somewhere.
We'll find it.
But for now, yeah, we'll find it. Look at this. Aftermarket, VTEC, shit that don't work.
It's a work in progress.
That's the point of this car. But yeah.
Uji's coming loose.
Hey, we're gonna get demonetized.
So?
Yeah, be careful what we say, we're gonna get demonetized. Oh, and we got this here. This beat right here. Look at this SI. Look at this. Nice, clean. Got a spoiler for it though. Take off this dumb shit. But back to this. Oh, we have the fender here. By these people. Plus your fender. You know the specs of this fender?
Huh?
You know the specs for the fender?
No.
No?
You know about as much as I do about this right now.
Ow! Stupid. So we got this new fender by what you got? Gordon Auto Body Parts. It's just an OEM fender. That's what we're gonna be using for this install over here, which he's got going.
So,
Not the fender. Yeah, that's what we got going on right now. About to pop this on. This, I'm gonna go check out my car. This right here, which is a 95 Acura Integra LS, and it's locked.
Hey Keyshawn, check this out.
What is it?
Get over here. You ready?
Ingenuity at its finest. She buzzing. Boom! Big reveal. It's off.
yeah.
Look at that shit. Hey, let me see this. Let me see this.
Dude, how the fuck am I supposed to keep this up now?
We're gonna have to tap that back in. Or we can get a bolt with a really big ass washer. And yeah. How's your tires looking? Oh, your tires are fine.
Oh, they've got tread.
I almost did a rail line though.
Let's check this out.
Big reveal.
Damn. Oh shit, there's a hole there.
Stupid.
Slap you.
Shit. Looked like he hit something.
Yeah. We're gonna. So what do you think? Try to pull that off and put it on that one, or what?
Let me see. Oh yeah, just looks like an Allen key. You need an Allen, right?
Yeah, I think I have one of those inside.
I got Allens if you need them. So yeah. I think this fender is like pretty good. Could do some stuff. But she's solid. Got it on. Still got it on. Together, we just need a bolt, Phillips, or something. hold this on. And then we need the same for down here. But yeah, that's that. Just getting it off for now. Just doing that. I'm gonna get back to showing you this. It's a Tegra, it's automatic. We're gonna convert it eventually. But yeah, hella clean. Get that pocket. .8 non-VTEC, and yeah, I think I'm gonna do K20 possibly, or most likely a GSR swap. But yeah, that's my car. So let's get back to this.
Finished. It's on. Got that back in. Got this one back in. Got these two down here. I even got that back up. Pop that motherfucker back in. I had to drill a hole right here so we can do this because, you know, buying it used, fucking POS. But whatever. But hey, I think she's looking good. Give me the summer and we'll see how she looks afterwards. But until the next time, hopefully I'll be repairing my passenger side window, possibly throwing in some new locks and replacing the interior door handles. Then once my new struts and coilovers come in, we'll get those done and she'll be sitting fine. But till next time, Honda boys are out.